Alrighty, so I'm finally getting around to installing my new interior pieces. We're going to be installing the new pieces here, and then we're also going to be using some new blacked out hardware. I just got these off of Amazon. So these are the 5/8 inch ones, and then I have a box of the 1-inch ones. So show a little before. I don't have a video of before I put the old interior. Here's what it looks like right now without them in. So you got that centerpiece, you got that part up there. These I'll be getting to soon because I'll be doing the whole front pad hopefully. So for now I'm gonna get to set you guys up, and we're just gonna do a time lapse of this, and I'm gonna get you guys set up and I'm gonna start installing. Alrighty, so here's an after installed, and I mean you can see the little bit of blemishes, sure, but the difference between what it looked like before and what it looks like now, I mean the fitment is very nice. This is the hardware right off Amazon, super low budget, and it looks very clean. I mean, can't complain. Don't look at that, that's bad. Even like the front piece here, turned out very nice. So with the vinyl going on, it actually made the pieces very snug when you're putting them back on. They don't have any trouble putting them back together. It's just a lot more snug than the natural. And then there's not even like a millimeter of a gap between the pieces. So it looks a lot nicer. With these two top rear quarter pieces, to speak, I was having troubles trying to get the screw to go through and connect with that hole in the one spot. All the other three ones went in just fine. It's just those ones I was having a little trouble with. But the pieces inside now look amazing. Well, here you can see, I think I put my mirror on backwards or wrong. I'm going to have to take it off again. It started to sprinkle and rain, and I am not in a garage, so I was trying to panic, and I was rushing to get everything on, put back together. See, oh, and I'm an honest guy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, say, look, the product turned out beautiful. This product did have some rough parts around the edges, but I didn't think that I thought these parts were gonna be hidden when I was wrapping it. I should have paid attention that these parts were going to be visible. So I definitely most likely will be pulling these off and re-wrapping them now that I have a little bit more experience. And I'll make sure that these are looking pretty, since these are visible to people. And that's the same. So like now I understand looking at this that I can have a nice scene here. It's not gonna be a problem. Like on that side you won't really be able to see it. But now that I've seen so much of this is hidden, it doesn't really matter how well this looks. So that I'm gonna do a little bit better next time. But it's really just like these edges, because over here this one looks great up until this edge, and I was like, oh, that's hidden, it'll be fine. So gotta show you guys the dirties. Didn't turn out 100%, but this part turned out good. Just next time I'll use a little bit more fabric. So that'll probably be a spring/summer job that I'll redo this all and make it look a lot prettier. But for now, I just wanted the pieces back in the car so that way I can start driving it again. But it does just look amazing. And then, so next we'll be pulling that off, wrapping it. I have the new center console there, and then I'll probably try to get the dash pad off, lower dash pad off, and then the kick panels, and wrap those and see how that all turns out.